Hello everybody, I am excited to share another craft room organizing video with you. I am collaborating with a few crafty friends to do a YouTube hop and give you even more motivation and cleaning and organizing inspiration. So be sure to check out the description box down below for all of that information. So for my video, I am going to be tackling my closet. So I'm going to let you in on a little secret. It doesn't turn out perfect. I still have a lot of organizing and tweaking to do in my closet, but I decided that it was time to throw out trash, get things out of there that do not belong, and let me tell you the difference it makes. I am way less stressed when thinking about having to go in there and find something. Here's a look at what it looked like before. As you could tell, it's definitely messy and I'm just throwing things in there. I'm not utilizing this space how I want to. I'm sure it's the same for most of you that when you craft, whether you have a craft room or you create on your kitchen table, it's your time to relax and just get creative. When I would think about having to go in this closet, I would get so stressed out and clam up and then end up binge watching a show on Netflix or something if the item that I needed was in my closet. So if you have a space like this, whether it's in your crafty room or maybe a closet or a junk drawer or something like that, hopefully this will give you a little bit of motivation to get it clean. Even if it doesn't turn out perfect, at least it's a start. All right, so the first thing that I did was take out everything from the closet, everything. I threw away things, I packed things away and put them in the garage. I just wanted everything out of the closet in my room that I wasn't going to put back in my closet. There's so many different random things in my closet. I just needed to go through it all and purge what I wasn't using and put away things that you saw some of my projects. I put them in bins and I put them in my garage. I don't really need them in my craft room. Maybe someday I'll eventually end up selling some of them or giving them as gifts, but for now, that's where they're going to be. So it's important to get everything out of that closet so I can start fresh. And I have a few aprons from Creativation that I'm going to hang up on my door here. And don't mind my pajamas and my bun in my hair. It is what it is. I definitely don't get all dolled up to clean my house or my craft room, so you get what you get. So the last thing that I did was I took all of my recycled items, whether it's a jar or a can, all of my packaging that I was saving and put it in a box rather than this bin. I keep these white bins in my Calyx unit out in my craft room, so this box of packaging can go in my closet stashed away. All right, you may not see too much of a difference, but I notice it and that's what matters. It's not perfect, like I said, but it is definitely a start. I added another shelf up there. We need to get to IKEA when it opens again and it's safe to go and get a few more things from there, and I will finish organizing and making it a little bit more neater and utilizing the space a little bit better. I also put Abby's stack of bins with all of her crafty things in the closet. I found that having it out, it was just stacked full of junk. So that is in the closet now. And as you could see, I do have a little bit more space. I have my sewing machine there that I can pull out when I need to. I have just different things organized a little bit better and things that I will not be pulling for that often up on the top. And it's nicer. I'm less stressed for now until it starts irritating me again, and then I'll probably redo it again. That is going to be it for this video. I hope it motivated you guys to get organized. Be sure to hop along to all of the other channels. All of the details are listed in the description box. Also, Organize More gave a discount code for 10% off up until the end of the year, so be sure to use that as well. And I want to thank you guys for joining, and I will catch you later. Bye!